Good afternoon, morning, my rats. It is me. I am back. I'm so sorry. I've been quiet this week. Unfortunately, my internet situation has become an absolute fiasco thanks to TT Connect and MWeb. But I've gotten some phone data so that at least I can get some content out to you this week. And in this episode, we're going to be doing the best of budget buys on the Evetech store. Everything is under 2K. And if you're looking for a nice cheap monitor or a little bit of storage, then you might want to pay some special attention. Starting off the top 10 at number 10, we've got the Marvo Bluetooth wireless keyboard. It's great bang for buck at $400. I've got to say it's kind of nuts. It is still somehow full mechanical and backlit. It doesn't have a lot of features and functions and stuff on it. It's got pretty much everything that you can see from the function key set is going to be your limitation on this keyboard, but it can switch between multiple devices. You can see it's got 2.4 gigahertz and Bluetooth, so you can have it on your PC with a 2.4, any machine with 2.4, and anything else with a Bluetooth. So if you just need a little runaround keyboard, then this one comes highly suggested. At number 9, we've got the Klevv 512 gig Gen 3 NVMe. It's just a really good bang for buck. Gen 3, 500 Rand now. I can't believe how cheap these are getting. But before that, you get a 5-year warranty and pretty much the top read speed you're going to get on Gen 3. At number 8, we've got the Elecstor Mini for those load shedding times. If you want to keep your ONT and your fiber router online, then this is going to be a great way to do that. It comes with a little rechargeable light bulb as well. Those things are actually kind of expensive. They're like $70, so that's a really nice add-on for them to have thrown in. But if you've got a very entry-level basic sort of setup for like a 50 megabit connection with like 5 or less devices connected to it, and more than likely just your phones at that time, then this is going to be perfect for that. When you are, the less devices you have, the less current it's going to draw. At number 7, we've got the Logitech G402 Hyperion Fury. It's a very good bang for buck mouse at this price. This is one of the most comfortable ergo shapes I've ever felt. It's something that Logitech really has been pretty good with. And this is a feature-packed mouse. You can see it's got 5 thumb buttons with the sniper button as well. So if you're going into like MOBA and FPS sort of crossover, then this is going to be a really good one. Running on the top of number 6, we've got the Huawei Mate View. It's a 75Hz panel, 1080p, and it's just a basic straightforward IPS. But because it's IPS, it's going to have really good pixel response times. Unlike cheaper VA technology right now, which has a bit of a better contrast, it is a little bit slower. So this is like a really nice entry-level gaming panel. One of 2 for this roundup though. Breaking into the top half at number 5, we've got a good fat boy spinning disc in a 6 terabyte now from Western Digital. Western Digital has quickly become one of my favorite storage companies. I absolutely love their stuff. It basically never fails. I've got both of my spinning discs right now are Western Digital. So one of them is a 4 TB of this exact drive. It's nice and fast. I keep a lot of games and stuff on there as well, especially the bigger titles like Call of Duty, and just wax a casual 250 gig. So if you need just a large amount of storage space for those stupidly large games and maybe design or something like that, these are pretty quick. 256 meg cache, it really does help with that. At number 4, it's the cheapest Gen 4 1 TB you're gonna find on Evetech. It's 1,100 Rand. It comes with a 5-year warranty and a 7,000 meg read. That's very good for Gen 4 stuff. The heat plate on top of here is also there to help if you don't have a built-in heatsink. But if you put your heatsink right on top of this, it's just going to improve that performance and cooling even further. I haven't had any throttling with mine so far, but both of mine do have coolers on them. At number 3, it's this really cool little panel from AOC. I especially like this because it's even got VGA. It's perfect for older systems, and if you just want a good like basic 1080p monitor, it doesn't have the best brightness ever, so you might want to be using this in a dark room. Any direct sunlight at 250 nits is maybe not going to be the best. It's VA as well, so it's not going to be amazing for gaming. It's going to have some smear and stuff in it. It's just the way VA gets down. But if you just need like a secondary monitor or something to play back some media on the side, etc., then this is going to be absolutely perfect for that. At number 2, it's got to be XPG once again with this 4133 megahertz kit at 1,400 Rand, 2x8 gig. It's got RGB-ness on it, of course, but the main thing with these is they come with significantly fat boy heatsinks. When you take it out, you'll know about it. Like, you can see even in the picture, look how much heatsink is there between the lights, guys. It's thick. It's really, really thick. They've worked with absolutely everything I've put them onto as my Adata XPG stuff. I haven't had an issue since 12th gen launch. Imagine, I've done all the AMD and all of the new Intels on their memory chips, and they've been absolutely flawless. So big vouch for them, limited lifetime warranty on these as well. And finally, in the best of budget, it's the Cooler Master GA241 100Hz VA panel, 1080p, 23.8, 100Hz. It's got FreeSync built into it as well, which is really, really nice to have. It will work with both AMD and NVIDIA, and $2,500 for all of that with a 3-year warranty. Doesn't have a periscope neck, it's just the basic stand that you can see. It should have some tilt and stuff built into it from what I can see, but it does have a VESA mount, a 100 by 100mm VESA mount on the back. So if you want to desk clamp it and use it like that, it's going to be great. And I love that it's got the VGA. It looks like it's got audio pass-through over here as well, by the looks of things. So that's kind of nice to have. It's a very good entry-level sort of setup monitor. If you just don't have budget to spend, you know, $3-4 plus, then this is going to be a really good little monitor for you. And that, my friends, is all I have for you this week in the best of budgets. Hopefully things will resume with some normality next week when my ISP decides to click the buttons. Until next time, I hope you guys stay safe, keep well. If you've enjoyed this, please do hit us up with a like and subscribe, and I will see you on the flip side.